Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this used vehicle.
This is the Ford Puma EcoBoost mild hybrid ST Line X we've currently got for sale, finished in this gorgeous metallic blue paint. You'll have peace of mind motoring in this vehicle with a minimum of 12 months warranty from ourselves. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, you've got LED daytime running lights with full LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Running down the side of the car, you've got the 18-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with your power folding heated ring mirrors as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. There's a generous amount of boot space available as well. You've got the adjustable boot floor, which is currently in its lowest setting, with split folding seats as well, so plenty of room there for multiple suitcases or any further luggage. You'll have ease of access to the boot space with the electric tailgate. And moving inside, you get lovely batten cloth seats with a contrasting red stitching, with ISOFIX points on the outer seats as well. Moving to the front of the vehicle, you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and also a centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. And just behind the wheel, you've got a full digital display with multiple driver modes available, including Eco setting to help save some fuel, and a Sport setting for more dynamic drive, and also different driving conditions there as well, including a snow setting. Alongside your digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you've also got sat navigation on board with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. And as well as front and rear parking sensors, you'll also benefit from a rear view camera to give you peace of mind whilst parking. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, and also the heated climate windscreen, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. There's also wireless phone charging and another USB port to charge multiple devices.
For more information, give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.